NCERT Physics Class 11th, 5th chapter Motion in a Plane, question number 5.27. In this, but we have given that a helicopter of mass 1000 kg rises vertically upward with acceleration of 15 meter per second square. The crew and the passenger weight 3000 kg. In this, we have to find out the first part, which is force on the floor by the crew and passenger. So this is just equivalent to the problem of lift that we had done earlier, that passengers are sitting on the helicopter which is moving in upward direction with the acceleration of 15 meter per second square. Now you are supposed to find out the force on the floor. That is, we are supposed to find out the normal force exerted by the person on floor. So we can say that if the person exert a force N on the surface, so by action reaction pair, this surface will also exert a force normal on the passenger. So drawing the FBD of passenger, we can say that for passenger we can use the FBD, that normal force in upward direction, gravitational force in downward direction, and apply Newton's law of motion. So according to Newton's law of motion, F is equal to m into A. So net force, that is equal to N minus mg, as it is moving in upward direction, is equal to mass into acceleration. So this implies that normal comes out to be m into g plus a. So normal comes out to be the total mass which is given to us is equal to 300. Mass of passenger crew is equal to 300. G is equal to 10 and acceleration is equal to 15 meter per second square. So this comes out to be 7500 Newton. The force exerted by the passengers and crew on the floor is 7500 Newton, and similarly the force exerted by the floor on the passenger and crew is 7500 Newton by action reaction pair. Now coming to B part. B part says that action of rotor of the helicopter on the surrounding air. So find the force exerted by the rotor of helicopter on the surrounding air, and third part is force on the helicopter due to surrounding air. So in this we will find first C part. C part, in this we have to find that force exerted by the surrounding air on helicopter. So a helicopter is given to us. Let's say this is a helicopter which is moving upward direction with acceleration A is equal to 15 meter per second square. So as we all know, this is moving in upward direction. So there must be a vertically force which is acting upward, and this is force due to air. This F due to air. So we are supposed to find out the force on helicopter due to air. So by making the free body diagram, we can say that due to air, the force is acting in vertical direction upward, and due to gravity, the force is acting in downward direction, that is equal to mass of crew member plus mass of helicopter into G. So net force is in upward direction, so we can say that F of air minus m1 plus m2 into G is equal to m1 plus m2 into A. So from this we can find out force exerted by surrounding air on helicopter is equal to, from this m1 plus m2 we taken out common and we have A plus Z. So m1 plus m2 can be written as 1300. Mass of combined system is equal to 1300. So force exerted by air on helicopter in upward direction, this is equal to 10 plus 15, that is 25, into this is 1300. On solving this, we have the value of force exerted by the air on helicopter is 32,500 Newton in upward direction. Now we will solve B part. So in B part, he is asking the force exerted by the helicopter on air. So we know that Newton's law, every action has equal and opposite reaction. So if air is applying a force of 32,500 in upward direction, so the helicopter will apply a force of 32,500 Newton in downward direction on air by action reaction pair.